What's going on, Scrubzah here, welcome back. So it's time for another mukbang. For this mukbang, we'll be eating the Burger King Nashville chicken sandwich as well as the Burger King original chicken sandwich. We got the food in front of us. We got both chicken sandwiches, fries, and onion rings.
Let's go!
These videos are like a mukbang slash challenge, so let's see if we can complete all of this. You think we can complete this, baby Scrubs?
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Same here. I'm ready to feast. So Scrubs, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right now. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on the next mukbang. Last but not least, go down below and scrub the like button. Let's try and get
1 like.
1 like.
Yes.
All right, let's get 1 like on this video. So without further ado, let's start this mukbang. All right, so I gotta come clean, baby Scrubs.
Why would you do?
I've already tried the Nashville chicken sandwich. Like, I've had it like 5 times. Cause it's so bussin'.
Is it good though?
Oh, it's bussin'.
Bro, I'm ready to try it. Let's do this.
Seems like y'all enjoy these mukbangs. That's why we're continuing these mukbang videos. So let us know in the comments down below what should we eat next. All right, time for the Burger King Nashville chicken sandwich mukbang. 3, 2, 1, bismillah. The onion ring is bussin'. But you know, I'm gonna go straight to this.
Too.
Oh, so the sauce is like dripping.
Oh my
so much
God.
sauce. Woohoo! Y'all see that? That's the Nashville chicken sandwich right there. Sheesh! All right, 3, 2, 1.
Bismillah.
Yeah, this is nose. Oh, this is so good. Oh.
Stop it, man.
Mmm.
You can't make this good.
Mmm.
Yeah, we'll finish this.
Bro, this is so good.
Bro, it's
like
spicy. Spicy too.
Yeah, it's like some sauce. So much sauce that it like stained the table.
It's not even that spicy though.
Okay.
Yeah, that's some cheese. Let's go.
Before I finish this, let me taste this. This is the original chicken sandwich.
I'll do it too.
It's not that good. There's too much bread.
Yeah. And this tastes good.
Yeah. Like, it's alright.
But this.
Yeah.
I'm ordering this.
Yeah. That's what's up.
It's a brioche bun, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a brioche bun. Be sure his nose. Ooh. Let me try some fries. We gotta finish everything. We're gonna do this, right?
Yeah, we can do this.
We can't lose. We lost the last Burger King challenge because you failed me.
Bro, I'm not.
So this is our redemption. It's redemption. Dude, the last Burger King challenge was actually hard because I don't know. It wasn't like bussin'. Like the Whoppers, I put cheese on them, so I think that's what messed it up.
Whoppers?
Yeah, remember?
What do you mean?
The last Burger King one, yeah, Whopper with cheese.
Oh.
It didn't taste crazy good. Mmm.
It's so good.
So good. I've had the Popeye chicken sandwich.
Yeah, me too.
This, way better.
Way better. Put some ketchup.
I've also had the KFC one. This, way better. That's why I had it 5 times.
Yeah, I would have this 5 times.
It's too addicting.
And it has a little spice too. That's what I love.
Yeah, it's not too spicy. Oh.
Perfect.
I had some, I had the chicken sandwich from Mary Brown's. Bro, so spicy. Oh my God, I don't know what they put in it.
I don't like too spicy.
It was too spicy. I couldn't enjoy it. But they had some nice sauce. It was like some dill pickle sauce. We're gonna finish this.
Yeah, we're finishing.
And after, we're gonna go do some exercise. We're gonna go for a run, right? All right, I'm done mine.
Almost done.
Okay. Got onion rings.
No, work on some fries. Actually, I'll touch the fries later. Yes, you did.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna film me.
What do you mean?
You better not film me.
I'm not.
Now. So much lettuce in this. This is the original chicken sandwich. The original is original and it ain't bussin'.
Bro, I just want to eat another one of this.
Why is there so much bread in this?
This one's better than all the challenges, all the mukbangs.
Yeah. 100%. If I finish this, then all I gotta do is finish the onion rings. But maybe I might help you with your sandwich if you're struggling. Ooh. It's a lot of food. Almost done this. Woo! Come on, you're slow. You didn't finish it yet?
I'm trying to enjoy it.
Sure, let's enjoy this.
Alright.
There we go. Oh my.
Goodbye.
I finished
Goodbye,
both
the
sandwiches.
Chicken.
It's your goodbyes. Just like that. I'm basically done. Now, let me finish this.
Done the best chicken burger ever. Now this.
I'm on the onion rings.
Just like bread.
Yeah. Onion rings are good. They're like nice, crispy. With a little ketchup too. Ooh. Oh, crisp. All I taste is that crispy crunch.
Bro, I wish they made this like a different time with the same thing.
Yeah. Because wait. Hold up, let me show them. Bruh. Look at all that bread. Look at all that bread and a tiny piece of chicken in the middle. Like, what the heck?
It's basically just bread.
Alright, finish my onion rings. Woo! Basically done.
Well, you can eat this if you want.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you with the fries. Better not fail me.
I'm not.
Better not cheat. Oh my goodness.
Full?
No, I'm full.
Yeah. Not full.
These fries are actually not bad. Not like crispy. They're like all right. I should have got the poutine from Burger King.
You have that?
Yeah. Burger King has some poutine.
You good? Did you try it?
Nope. Maybe next time.
We should definitely try it.
Yep. Oh.
Come on. I'm not losing it then. I'm not losing.
We lost the last Burger King challenge. We can't lose this one.
Bro, I just want to try the chicken sandwich and then Nashville chicken.
Yeah.
Bro, I wish we got 2 of these.
Oh.
Is that cheese?
No.
No? What is that?
Mayonnaise. Lettuce.
This?
Yeah.
That's cheese.
Mmm. Oh my god, I'm so full. Oh my days.
Actually,
My base girl's failing me.
Okay, wait. Please, like, take some bites of these.
You crazy?
I'll have these. A little.
Chill out. Chill.
Take a little bites. I'll have these.
Oh, no. Why do you do this to me, baby Scrubs? You can't just finish this? Alright, like this video right now. Woo!
I've done the fries. You do
Yeah, okay,
that.
you better finish the fries.
No?
Yours actually tastes better
So what?
than mine. Oh! You done? Almost? my goodness.
Come on.
I'm trying.
Be a man.
I'm trying. There's actually so much left. Looks like a little. Oh, I'm so full. I can't even.
When you're so full and then you eat, it just feels so bad. You, like, you won't even enjoy the burger or anything, chicken burger. Woo! This is hard.
This? Done. What is this? Crumbs? Crumbs. We got like some. Oh, there's one little tiny fry in there.
I didn't eat the onion rings.
I ate all the onion rings. You're gonna slow us down. I'm done this. Nothing left. So all there's left. You gonna fry? Y'all gotta subscribe right now.
I am.
Burger King is not gonna win this time. We winning this.
Wait.
One more bite. Last bite. Let's do
Come on,
this.
swallow it. Swallow it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Hold up.
Don't throw up. Don't
Hold
throw
up.
up.
Let me concentrate.
Do not throw
Let me
up.
concentrate, bitch, Scrubs.
Okay, come on.
Is there a drink left?
Are you spitting there? You spitting?
No? You crazy? Done! I had to drink some.
Oh yeah, swallow it.
Woo! Let's go! We won! Yo, we won 3 in a row. What the heck? Let's go! Everything's done. Quick check. Done. We got. I don't know what's that.
Nothing here.
Done. Nothing. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Done.
Oh, so much food.
Woo!
But why was a Nashville chicken sandwich so good?
Bro,
Why?
If we had 2 of those, I could finish that.
Yeah, for sure.
It was just nasty. I don't know.
Yeah, the original chicken sandwich is gross.
It just tasted weird when I tasted it.
Yeah, I don't know, too much bread, but the Nashville chicken sandwich was busted. Alright, Scrubs, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was the Burger King Nashville chicken sandwich mukbang, and we completed it. So let us know in the comments down below, what should we eat next? You know, baby, because I heard Canada got that new Grand Mac. It's like a Big Mac times 2. I don't know. So, Scrubs, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to scrub the like button, scrub the comment section. Last but not least, subscribe button. I'll see you guys next one. Keep scrubbing.